The regular BP cuff is a non invasive method of measuring blood pressure. True. How is the oxygen content monitored in blood? By pulse oximetry. What principle does pulse oximetry follow? Beer Lambert law. The normal blood pressure cuff using instrument is called as sphygmomanometer. What is the normal range of blood pressure? 120 by 80 to 140 by 90 mmHg. Which instrument is used to listen to the Korotkoff sound? Piezoelectric microphone. For infants, the pulse oximetry band is attached to their foot. Which of the following devices or methods do not use cuff? Continuous slow flow flushing method. Which type of transducer is commonly used for invasive blood pressure measurement? Piezoelectric. Which of the following uses ultrasound to check the blood flow? Doppler shift method. In the differential oscillatory technique, where is the pressure sensor located? In the lower portion of the cuff. The nerve impulses are actually action potential. The impulses travel faster when the axon has myelin sheath. What is the jumping of impulses between the nodes of Ranvier called? Saltatory conduction. Which of the following can help determine the extent of nerve damage? Nerve conduction velocity test. How many electrodes are normally needed for a nerve conduction velocity? 2. If the doctors suspect peripheral neuropathy in the legs, where will the electrodes be placed? At the feet. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a result of nerve impingement. To test for sciatica, where will the electrodes be placed? From lower back to a knee. Which of the following can be a result of spinal disc herniation? Sciatica. What property of sound waves acts like the principle of ultrasound? Reflection and refraction. Ultrasound is used for detecting fault in metal sheets, imaging marine depths, and detecting distances. Which of the following medical imaging modality other than ultrasound does not use any form of radiation? MRI. For which of these areas can the ultrasound be taken for an infant but not for an adult? Cranium. A piezoelectric crystal is used to produce the ultrasound waves. What kind of ultrasound is produced? Pressure wave ultrasound.